It can be frightening and so annoying to see a bunch of ants march all over your home, across your countertop, or climbing on the wall. White vinegar. Just mix 3 parts of water with 1 part of white vinegar and spray it around your doorways, in the yard and also in ants' track. You can also clean the floor with water mixed with little white vinegar. Cinnamon. The strong smell of cinnamon makes it possible to get rid of ants. Flour. Sprinkling all-purpose flour in ants' tracks. At door thresholds, on windowsills will eliminate ants in your home. Coffee grounds. Spreading coffee grounds around your house or wherever you have ants problems will definitely prevent them from visiting your home. Ants are not comfortable with the smell. Peppermint. Whether it's peppermint oil or fresh mint, the strong smell of the mint chase the ants away. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, lime and grapefruit has a natural acids which helps in chasing them away. Squeeze citrus juice into a spray bottle and spray it all over the place. Borax. Borax is used in many cleaning products, but do you know you can use it as an ant killer? Make a paste with borax, sugar and water. Put the mixture inside containers with ant-sized openings and place them near ant tracts or wherever you see ants. Pepper. The strong scent of pepper will chase the ants away. If you enjoy this video, share, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to put on notification bell so that you will notify whenever I upload videos.